So here's the deal. AI assistants are about to be everywhere. Not just on your phone, they're gonna be in your glasses. They're gonna be in your car. They're even gonna be in your fridge. And yeah, that sounds convenient. But the real question is, what does that do to how we connect with people? On paper, it's amazing. A free personal assistant that's always on, that's always listening to you, and it's always helping. You don't have to worry about missed reminders, the oh no I forgot moments, and everything's just gonna kind of work. Picture this. You wake up, your AI has already checked the traffic. It's rearranged your first meetings. It's ordered coffee for you, and it's made sure your bills are paid. You didn't even have to ask it. Now that's powerful. That's life-changing. But there's a catch. If AI is handling everything, how much less are we gonna end up leaning on each other? Here's the thing. If AI knows my mood, right? And it cracks a joke when I need it, when I'm feeling down, and it keeps me company when I'm bored, am I still gonna pick up the phone to call a friend? Or do I just let AI handle it because it's gonna be a lot easier? Think, when was the last time you texted someone just to vent? Now imagine your AI's doing it, but it's gonna do it perfectly. Every single time, would you still reach out? Okay, imagine this. AI can simulate empathy. It can even mirror people's vibes. It says all the right words. You tell it, I had a terrible day. And it replies, here's what you can do to make it better. It's gonna feel nice and it's gonna feel safe. But here's the problem. It doesn't actually feel anything. It doesn't have lived experiences, and there's no actual emotion underneath all that computer software. And if we get used to that, real human empathy, which is messy and kind of imperfect, might actually start to feel annoying to us. So what happens if we start preferring the machine version over the human one? Now don't get me wrong, it's not all doom and gloom. AI could actually give us back some time. And it can do that by handling the boring stuff. Your bills, schedules, shopping, all the little mental tabs that we have to keep open every day. And by doing so, it can enable us to have more time. Time for us, more dinners with friends, more moments with family, and more headspace to actually just be present in the moment. But here's the flip side. Do we actually use that time to connect, or are we just gonna end up using it to play with AI more? Is that just gonna end up filling our gap? Because free time matters in the end if you end up choosing to use it with people. And if we're not using it with people, what's the point? Now here's where it gets tricky. AI is always gonna feel safe. It's not gonna judge you, there's not gonna be any drama with it, and there's not gonna be any awkward silent moments. Everything's gonna be smooth, and you're gonna be getting all these instant responses. But comfort is not the same as connection. So if AI becomes our default, are we training ourselves to avoid the harder, messier parts of being human? So yeah, AI assistants are definitely gonna change how we live. That's guaranteed. The big question here is, will they free us up to connect, to be more human? Or are they just quietly gonna replace the parts of connection? You know, the ones that are hard, the ones that are messy, the ones that actually make us who we are. That's what I'm paying attention to. And hey, this is the kind of stuff I like to talk about on here. How tech's changing the way we connect as human beings. So if that's your vibe, I encourage you to consider subscribing. And comment below so we can keep this conversation going. I know I'm a new YouTube channel, but I'm excited to really interact with you guys because I know I'm not the only one thinking about these things. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.